Sure. Come on. Mnandi kama simthandile noma umthandile ngambiza ngayo simthandile fetha. Fandi yangu koyi-1. Phethe the rough savage. Phethe the rough savage.
The one and only Nando
100 today. So we blind date. Abantu abekho blind, but yeah, you know, we're gonna call it a blind date. No banjo.
No, Amanda.
Amanda, yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, Amanda, no banjo. Okay? Oh my God, Clocky for Okay, guys, I'm gonna ask you a question, right? Understand? Then the sense of Bonbo mention no ban. If I mention guys, it's okay. Understand? But then booze by I'm a questions by Tandani in type yak. In type yak
you.
I wanna type chum.
I type. It's just there.
Right now.
I'm a bit too much, in fact.
You know too much kanjani?
Like ungapapi kakhulu.
Yeah, papa. Okay. Ungapapi kakhulu. Aku too much tall, dark, handsome.
Nah, light skin.
Light skin? Oh. Tapiaki. I feel so gay right now. Okay, a bit tall, light skin.
Yeah.
Which culture? Xhosa, Zulu, Pedi? Pedi. One Talohana. Chum. Type yakho yiphi wena? Na ufuna bothola or handsome?
Yeah, umuhle nje ungakuphapi kakhulu because nama ngiphapi yabo.
Yeah, you look so calm, eh?
Yeah, like ngishanyana okay, sharp.
Shy.
Yeah.
That's relaxing. We're all gays, by the way. Virgins, we're all gays. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, in type yakho noma wena? First, ungabe ngacela sorry ukhasa.
Angicedile ngawo.
Sorry.
First off, akusimi gay wafethu namanga lo. It's not like we are all gays la. Ngi out straight uzongibhekisela kubo sister.
Okay, sithi into.
Mina bafethu kuba honest. I don't got no type. No. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. Woo? Yeah, it's all. Like mina ngina type.
Yeah, my nigga.
Mina ngina type. As long as my pride. No, mina I believe like as long as ukela muhle yabo. Kugelo skuni ya mina bafethu angingama looks sort of yabo. Mara kwamele it's all ukela be muhle ageze ezinjani.
I said okay, I want to ask you a question again. As I said, maybe you're Jolana. Maybe it's not a true story, right?
Yeah,
maybe. No. I said to Jola now. For your birthday, like something made for you. Yeah. It's the best couple in South Africa now. Everyone's like, oh my God, love it for you guys.
Like anything in your afford, in fact.
Like what? Afford time right now, whatever. Okay.
Nekoti right.
Nah, something special.
Something special, something lovely.
Yeah.
Uzoyibonela yena.
Yeah.
Okay. Love it. Okay, wena choma sesithi manje ujola na yini ongamenzela yona?
Yeah, same nje. Yeah. Into right nje for yeah.
Okay, yini okay, ngana siqale ku-A. This is A, this is B from now. A, B.
Oh.
For A, wamenzelani kwepepe ya?
Hey, Don. Kinalituzu for wena. All I bring is a 4-5 to the table. I bring a pipi guys to the table. Askiseni khuluma kanje yabo. Mara. Oh, kazi nisheshe nangijaja. Iduzi iza phambili vele yabo.
For your birthday, dog.
Guys, amantombazana wakaza yenza next for abafana sibeni honest. Asibeni honest. Asibeni honest. Amantombazana hleza lethi cake.
Not song but siyabenzela abantu bethu.
Amantombazana hleza lethi cake to the table.
Not song.
Not like everything is about sex.
No. I think I'm gonna like you. Clock it. I think I'm gonna like you. Not song.
Not thinking it is about sex. Nah.
Not song. So you know what? I feel like back traumatized. Lobuchola no monde no pull inklizio and you're gonna blame me on us as girls. As girls.
Yeah.
Okay. As I said, manje, you know I expect with your friend for your birthday. I expect her when. Like you're in the like maybe that day is your birthday. if outing ngenza leyo nto ingaba i-best day for wena?
But anything I afford, nothing
Anything. I feel
much.
like you're so simple, dog.
Yeah, no, like
about
your thing is about
anything?
money.
Yeah.
No, love is not
Everything's about
money.
what? Love?
Yeah, it's about love. Respect.
Are you in love right now?
Nah, complicated.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right. Not to like it's about imali and stuff.
But man,
Nah.
okay guys, I'm gonna keep asking you a question. Please guys, think for one question in Zumbuza and end of the video, right? One question, just think for one question, right? But I'm gonna keep asking question, man. Okay, for birthday yakho na chomi ngathi ndoda yakho mayikwenzele. Engakujabulisa like that day.
Mina ngithanda ukudla nje uyazi mali ethi ukudla.
Food.
Yeah.
Food.
Yeah.
Not yonke into, food.
Yeah, ifood.
Okay.
Senyamthanda.
It's not years complicated.
Complicated.
I think I'm a vegetarian, so yeah.
Oh.
South Africa.
You know with nyama. Damn, this is nice, eh? Okay, another question. Wait, you. Okay, yini ama red flag wakho ngawe guy? Ama red flag wakho.
Ama red flag wami bafethu ayish.
Ngawe.
No, indaba ngithanda too much yabo. Mangithanda umuntu ngiyamthanda yabo and most of the time yabo. Kuba too much sometimes ebantwini yabo. Mawuthanda too much so we end up avele kwamanye ama situations ukuthi manje uba yabo so bafethu that's why kunzima for mina ukuthi ngithanda umuntu yabo mara ya ngiyathanda bafethu too much abaziyo bayazi.
Yakuzwa msala sekuzwa. Thomi. Wena yini ama red flag ngawe maybe I too. Your red flags like okay. Maybe I talk too much or maybe I love too much or maybe nginje na kanje. Yini ama red flags ngawe?
Ngami ishinkinga ngami ukuthi ngishaya.
Shy. You look so shy.
Yeah, and then ngizini ngulo muntu othi I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care.
Awuncengi?
Hayi ngiyimengcinga ngifana manje.
Oh. Hi community. Okay, show me. Wena yini ama red flag ngawe?
Yeah, ngishaya nami nje ngishaya. Yeah, like
Do you think like you're not comfortable if masonomuntu wakho you don't think une-settle velayo mase like or you always shy?
ngishaya ikinga.
You always relax kakhulu.
Kakhulu and angifuni uphaphelwa because into encane nje ngivele
Turn off.
kakhulu.
Turn off. Oy, ama red flag wakho la ukhinyeka fast.
Kakhulu fast. Yeah,
Can
so
you fast? Fast. Whoa, take fast. Kongaje, fast to kongaje chom. Okay, chom, ngibuza red flag intombazaneni mfethu.
I-red flag
Intombazaneni. Ngizafuna ukuchecka guys uba niya connect or unconnect. Ngizokutshela ukuconnecta nabantu.
Ntombazane engagezi. Ntombazane engagezi. It's a no go for me bafethu. Intombazane ameli ibe school. Yabona nabo sisenhleli nabo bashayina ama Vaseline. So which means asambi baby.
Asambi baby. Okay.
Asambi. Asa.
Ama red flag wakho umfana. Like yasi umfana lo, umfana onje.
sense of style.
Kalo khwazele phezulu chom.
Sense of style ngikhulumela phansi. Yeah, fashion sense. Mele ibe khona.
Yeah, akhona ugqoka.
Yeah, khona ugqoka abe neat azithande.
That's all it is. Long mongene room lakho yabona bayazi room lo.
Yeah, as long that clean, nothing much.
Yeah. Okay. Nika lave. I want to nika lave. Nika lave. Nithi indaba yakho.
Indaba yami ithi
Ngithona yini ama red flag emfaneni?
Yeah, umuntu ongagezi ayingeke ungisaphi umuntu ongagezi nje hayibu mele ugeze shem yabo yeah mele ubukeke.
Sasithi okay this guys uyageza ne? Uyageza clean but short.
Yo.
Nkinga kahle.
Yeah. Fanele be muda ngeke.
No one here is
Phela ngimshoti manje.
Sasithi okay same height.
Same height. Hayi. This no kancane.
But same height? No wrong same height.
Hayi.
We type yako straight but same height.
Hayi. Friend zone khona.
You. So do you friends ukubuza le question for guys, you know? Uyakhona ba ku friend zone bese uyaphuma ku friend zone then you become a boyfriend or mase ku friend zone forever.
Friend zone forever cuz ngize ngifike friend zone I have a reason.
Damn.
maybe angikufuni just angifuni ukudisappoint friends zone.
Mase ngibiza ngentwana yakho.
Yeah, njalo
Nika lam, mase ngibiza ngenika lam. Hayi my dog.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
From namhlanje angifuni intombazane ezongibiza ngontwana.
Yeah, ntwana. No, don't call me ntwana.
Ngibiza ngontwana.
Don't call me ntwana, don't call me ntwana. Okay. Yini expectile with girlfriend?
No, mina ngicela ukubuza bo sister. So guys, mina maningibhekile like ngintwana type ngini.
Now
Okay, wena ungangenza intwana yakho or ungangijola.
mina ngakwenza intwana yami shema. Oh, yona type yami so. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yabona iMCN. Yabona ihost yenu bafethu.
I'm sorry.
Anyeke iphele lama video lawa angayihamanga.
Okay.
Oya papa. Chum.
Yeah, ngoba umngane wami.
Ungang friend zone.
Yeah, ngoba umngane wami.
Oya chum.
Ngithi angayirizi mara ungaba umngane wami ya ntwana ushap ya izozinto nje.
Umuntu yojola kudala. Umuntu yojola kudala wena chum.
Now ubona ufriend ne?
Angikho.
Omar ungangipha leyo chance.
Ukuthi
Ngiziveze. At least I believe ukuthi izinto guys here like ngokuspend isikhathi nomuntu yabo sengathi decide from there ukuthi no uguy ngam friend zone or ngamjola.
singaspend isikhathi. Mara by end of the day maybe ungichazi.
Yeah.
Yini ekuchazayo yini wena? Yini ekuchazayo? What is your yini? Yeah, shoma la ngifuna understand because of yana sometimes mina nocaba kumuntu umchazela nomchaza ngimboring. So yini ekuchazayo wena? Yini beside ukugcoka kahle and what? Let's say maybe uthola ukuthi ugcoka kahle clean but yini ekuchaza kuyo?
Like yana ngendlela khuluma ngayo nabantu.
Respectfully.
Yeah, respect ne language. Na yeah, language right.
Cela nibuze noma yini kato.
Nika lam. Hey.
Like yeah. You like you like
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, like
Okay, singibuze wena umbuzo wakho man because I feel like uthatha ama question that ama answer that side. Ufuna ukubuza wena my Nick. Okay. 5 things. Ayisha ngifuna ukuthi difficult kakhulu njo.
Ikuba easy.
Ba easy kumayinika. Is easy inika, ulinika easy face. Ungashare indoda mara.
ngeke
Why?
because ngifuna uba yi-1 kuyo obvious.
Why? Una limona yazi I want to treat.
Yo,
Skaba treat mayinika.
Why mele ngishare?
Sharing is career.
No, I ngeke, I never.
Okay, wakwachithelo.
Yo, nomngani.
Nomngani wakho?
Sort of umngani or something angazi yeah.
Mele simfunele umuntu
What's up? How do you feel?
mele atholakala.
Yeah, like
Are you dating though right now? Okay.
ang-
6'7", ekahlangana.
Yeah, ekahlangana. Yeah, ekahlangana.
6'7", that's why silavele, we're still 6'7", okay. Wena chuma kubakuchithela man. You look so nice as chum. Sweet, as never said kungathi uyibaby. Oh.
In fact angazi.
Yeah, I was found out.
Ngazi ngafa.
But you always, you know.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But ushare umuntu akho right.
Trust umuntu.
Ukumshare like akho right.
Awufuna ukushare wena.
Hey, why am I?
Okay, kumele choose one. So uzwile mfowethu but you have to choose one end of the video, you know. You can't share. Sharing is not caring this time. Sifuna ukudla ama plate wethu sodwa, right? Asithanda ukushare izinto zethu.
Yeah, sanishare.
Kuyagulwa la ngaphandle abantu baya sick. Abantu bayagula.
My niggas out there condomizana.
You understand? So yeah, so I was watching now chom, right?
Yeah, angazi in fact.
Wakwachitha.
I'll find out.
Yeah, I'll find out. So angazi.
Okay, wait, hold on. Bake ba found out ngawo wakwachitha wena.
No, mina ngichithi ngiyafletha.
Mara mal fácil ya. Mara que ariye, restaurante ba, que tren ya yen, ariye.
Hey Nika, gang. Okay, what is fake? Okay, wait, hold on. What is flirting? Yini ukufletha kuhle ngendlela yakho?
Like ngizokhuluma nomuntu and
Why don't nomuntu?
yeah, mara ngihamba ngiflow.
Hamba ngeflow.
Yeah, mara by the day actually.
Niya attendana nje kuphela.
Yeah, siyakhuluma kuphela.
Ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Yep.
Okay. So do you think when I boyfriend akho mengafletha nomunye umuntu you will be okay with that?
Nah.
Oh, manje wayenza.
Hey, kinga.
Yasitawela wena. Yasitawela. So are you too?
Inkinga the reason why ngifletha. ngiyashesha ukubhoreka. So at least mangiflat ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi angimneki kakhulu umuntu akhona.
Also uyakhetha ukhinyeka fast.
Yeah.
Okay. So mana, are you a cheater or yeah, flat?
Mina angicheat yo, angikho like loyal like yo. Yazi yibo bangicheatelayo.
Why bashimane beso? Akibarati bashimane lena. Akibarati.
Angazwa yazi maybe cause ngiloyal kakhulu or ngithanda kakhulu or angazwa isho.
Longest relationship okwaba nayo, show me how many years, how many months, how many years?
Angifiki na 1 year. Okay, sharp. Okay, maybe 4 months nyana. Yeah.
Say long kakhulu okuyi 4 months. Wena show me. Cause uyaphoreka nokuphoreka wena.
It was 1 year now.
Oh! I'm so surprised. Flat, you cheater phela lo.
But it was 1 year 9 months.
9 months, going to 2 years.
But
How do you feel though? Are you okay? Unga suicide, okay?
Yimi ngadampa ngithi.
Oh, wamlahla wena.
But beku lesbian in fact.
Lo mntwana.
Oh, she was a
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm bisexual in fact.
Bisexual?
Yeah, I'm bisexual.
Why would you treat it? Why would you treat it? I don't like bisexual. But treat it. Bafuna ukuthi yonke into bona. Why?
Chomusile.
Now bisexual chom. Cha, bamba. Ngiyakuthanda ezwana. Uright wena. Yazi into right le. Bisexual. Oh hey.
Igime kanti phone. Inkosana kanti
You will never know, hey? You will never know. Okay. Any guys, call on a question. I'm going to share my question, guys. Understand? No question. Do you have a question, guy?
Hayi chomi mina le ndaba yakho leyo ukuthi wena uyafletha yiye engahlali kahle kini. Hayi chomi ayikhona. Kuyo yonke into ongayenza chomi. Phela cheating naleyo. Hayi cheating bafethu. Guys, if nina niyabelieve ukuthi is cheating, cela ni commenteni lapha kuma comments nisho ukuthi is either ugelo uya cheater or yini. Anya ku flat une out, bro.
No way.
Which means wena ngathini unama options, options phela lawo.
I want to ask Chomi one question since you're bisexual, right? Since you're bisexual, I said nendoda yakhe bisexual yakuchithela.
Hayi phela
Now I'm asking. It's a question. What if your man is bisexual and then now you're bisexual? Who's cheating now?
Ngiyazora ngazi.
You never know.
You found out
uba is bisexual. Ukuchithela Romulo.
Ayongitshela.
How? Ngoba wena ubisexual.
Wayangangitshilanga from the start ukuthi bisexual. Phela fana ukuthi after 9.
After 9 is bisexual?
Angithi uyajwala nabanye abafana. During the day obviously uhamba namantombazana.
Ebusuku wenza.
Ebusuku uhamba nabafana.
Okay.
So wayengangitshilanga from the start ukuthi na izakala so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Manika. I'm just going to tell out out of 10.
Okay. Things ubambele.
Bona first time ubambela nika nami. Ayo ngathi ba comfortable nika.
Okay. Ngizothi maybe 7. Yeah, 7.
Why?
7 shame cause yena. Alright, just alright.
Because music was manika kancane.
Akaphabi angibona ukuthi uyaphapha angazi ora ngambona. Okay, maybe makuya ke angazi. Alright shame.
So if akaphaphi nganyuka la rating abe u10 or something, maybe 8. If akaphaphi
maybe maybe nganyuka kancane yabo. Yeah, sure.
So when one one ngifana ngokuthokothela.
Yeah.
Quiet, be sudden class.
Yebo.
Sengibhekene emehlweni.
Onanchalati.
Unyaka abafana ba nonchalant.
Yep.
Awwa. Okay, do you want nonchalant guys?
Yeah, wayemela khuluma na wonke umuntu.
Okay, I think you're cheating now. You can't kiss someone in front of. You see? It's cheating already. It's cheating already. You can't cheat.
I think you see no why.
Okay, sisa look, I was still sisa fool. Okay. Press on the tail out of 10 then.
Let me say 8.5.
8.5. Oh wow, that's a good one. Hey, you're not an ugly man. Sometimes I find you ugly than I am, but
wena uthama unqanya sengikubona.
No, relax. Why though?
Inkinga.
Unobukobo, unobubi.
Hayi angisho ukuthi mubi hayi ukenza
No,
umuntu mubi.
angisho wena mbuyasho. Ngiyabuza.
Angazi ngithini. mara
It's not your type. Ah, 6'7". I'm not sure.
ngikho
Yeah, but it's 8'1", 1.5.
8.5 yeah.
Wow, that's a good one. You turn on a 7, right? Because of our show.
Yeah.
Do you think personality account? Do you think you will date a guy because of your personality, right? Or is it all about looks? If a movie or
personality, no. My looks, not like yonke into is apart of my looks.
yeah, personality.
Yeah, personality. Kuthi umuntu onjani.
Okay.
Ngiyokutshela nomuntu ngama looks wakhe ukuthi muhle mubi hayi na.
It's all about
Yeah, personality.
now what's your personality, right?
Yeah.
All clock it for the personality. Why oh wow. Do you think I'm too forward? It's okay, let me calm down, you know. I feel like I'm too comfortable, hey. Okay, sure. When I first on the tele, hey, come on now.
Hayi khona chomi. Feruke ngamniki 5 yabo. Solid 5. No, mamela.
I don't think you're 5.
I don't think uchomi movie. Yabo, anye ngize ngithi movie uchomi. Mara kuzahlale ku5 izinto azishilo la so far yabo.
Why?
Unama red flags awu mentionile la. Flirting, bisexually. Lenye ngisho it's on cause for me guys it's a no go. Okay, babe, okay, let's say ke woza wena nature yakho ke ngitsho lena nithu I cheating le umuntu wakho musela umuntu wethu which means what's yours?
No,
it's ours.
I can love this chemistry. I love this.
Sizo la that's why ngitsanyeke no choma ngelo.
No. You know what? I'm gonna wait. Read this one. I think I'm gonna come back. I love this. Black to black. I like it for me.
My nigga, Bafis. Nikala me 10, Bafis. Choma guy 10. I think mina no chomi shem singaba grand yabo. Cause ngithanda ubuntu bakhe njoba asho ukuthi yena yabo ukelo relaxile and stuff yabo. Umentionile na izinto azithandayo game cause mina.
We cheat.
All right.
Uqedile njami.
No, I'm
okay, sharp. Yeah, ngiyasho ukuthi uchomi ngamguy 10 yabo cause izinto azishilo guys. Zipha nama out there confidence yabo. So yeah, mina I think ngihamba no chomi yabo.
okay.
Ngihamba nawo.
Angasho bahamba bani. Angasho bahamba labantu. So uyahamba la wena manje. Okay.
Badlala ngaye guys.
Yeah.
I'm heard.
Do you know what? I can see something. I'm a Dr. Love. That's what I'm about. Dr. Love. You understand? Because I can see it. I can feel it in my vagina right now. I don't want to lie. This is it. And the people, they don't get it. People, they don't get it. You know what? People, they don't see it. Because of ngiyabona kune chemistry. Bayaphikisana, bayathanda attention, bathelana nge-attention, bayathanda ukunakana. Yebo? Bahlezi balo. I can feel it in my vagina. I don't want to lie, bro. I swear to God. Kunento khona la. My nigga. Uyayibona mara wena nigga.
Baby bangakuyenza ucabanga ezinye.
Ngiyayibona yazi ngiyayibona.
Baby bangakuyenza ucabanga ezinye. Bafuna ukusixabanisa la.
Uyayifila mara wena.
Yeah, ngiyayifila.
Do you feel what I'm feeling?
I'm feeling you.
Feeling so yeah.
Uvumelana naye. Bafuna ukusixabanisa eSouth Africa bazithanda izinto ezinhle chomi ngikutshela. Mina now I think sizoba grand.
Chomi. Yini ongayithanda lo guy manje? Or you notice it like I don't like noma zi2.
Okay, like ngizini. Too much.
Too much.
Yeah, papa yeah.
Yeah, uyangiphaphela nami uthi mangirate ucabanga why?
Like umfana mangapapa ni maka not kakhulu.
Don't kakhulu. Do you think papa kakhulu?
Ubani?
Me.
Ay, nafana.
Okay. Upapa kakhulu.
Ay, yafana.
Anina
limit.
No, ungangifaka phela le Chomi.
Ngiyabashashalaza.
Lele. Okay, Chomi, uthanda ukukhuluma kwakhe. It's not about me, Chomi. It's not about me, okay? I feel like ufuna ukungihlasela. It's not about me, Chomi. It's not Chomi, hey, focus. It's not about me.
Hey,
you know ngithanda ngayo papa kakhulu. Naye papa ngiyamfila nami.
Ay, shashalaza.
Shashalaza khuluma kakhulu.
Wena uphapi Chomi.
Mina.
Awuphapi wena.
Kancane ngiyazama.
First of all, she's a girl. She's supposed to pop. Kumele ube yase out Awumelanga uphaphe. Got your back, right? Uphepho muphi ufethu kanti kwenzakalana fethu wabiza abantu ngamuntu omzabani okay wait ngisapheka la ngilinda ngipheke okay uthena uphapha kakhulu
It seems like umuntu othanda amantombazana siyaba.
usifebe
Yeah.
sisibona seku
Isifebe samshimana.
sifebe samshimana okay wena Chomi usifebe do you think you know ngayithandi ngayo no leave my
Let's see phone. Yeah.
you know ngayithandi too
No, yazi mina ngihlezi ngicabangela i-channel. Zikhona izinto engingazisho yabo phakathi kwami mara. End up ngiyi-bad guy yabo. Mara
two things ngayo
okay. Ngathini ngochomi? It's not like ngamkhuluma kabi yabo and stuff in sengithanda. No, uthe ama red flag ngisho. Siya ku negative side.
you know ngayithandi ngayo
Yaku negative side ukuthi uchomi usheshe wangijudge angangazi. Yabo uvele waba phambili yena nje bathi mina ngiforward kanti uyo forward yabo angangazi lo muntu lo ethol ungijudge ngeappearance yami nokuthi ngithanda amantombazane in so mina ngingagezi so kahle kahle wena uthi ugayo ugezayo i-red flag for wena i-red flag so usho kanjani
Red flag hadway.
so mina ngibukeka njengomuntu othanda amantombazane wawusho kanjani
Ngikhuluma khona na.
ngathi kumele ngibe negwaba every day guys because mangiba
be proud of it if it's fair it's okay
indaba nongicabanisa nomuntu wami manje
nomuntu wena umubi so relax no not do that oh Chomi
mina kancane
yini uyithanda ngayo khona there's no way umuntu umnyanya from the start to the end there's no way we are a good person right you know you have beautiful eyes by the way Chomi clock it for that no I don't just clock it say thank you why you so rude like I'm saying you have beautiful eyes just say thank you yo are you nonchalant girl yes you know what ngizongena nawo sengibe ngiyekile nawo siyangiphaphela ngiyancoma like nicely okay you
Thank you.
you know uthanda ngoguy nothing
Ayi man.
okay
Ngizothi maybe Ingithandayo ngayo.
ngiye uthanda ngayo shem
Wenithi.
neat wow hey wile mo
Maybe ne sense of style
yeah yacinga nice akafela afake noba yini right
Ayi. Yeah.
wow that's nice eh that's nice I like it no what you're so nice this time unoburude bukhona but awujumpisi yeah unoburude unoburude bukhona because of I was so nice to Chomi the whole video I don't know why in pop I mean but it's okay I don't want to cry
inkinga ukuthi uyaphapha
you know what it's fine okay uyini uthanda ngoChomi khona but somehow khona into ithanda lokuchazile ngayo
yawuchomi nice yena she's good looking yabo ngaya for yena obvious mina ekhaya bayahlekana guys wangena nechirembi nenja sekhaya icala yabo sengiyazi ke lapho kudayi lo ngisamelanga ngifike naye endlini
okay unice style sakhe sithanda but I feel like unice and
Yeah.
wow thank you ubufuna thank you Chomi sometimes hey just say thank you
and unamazinya amahle
thank you
Nawa rabbit beats na.
say thank you
Yeah, thank you mara mnawathandi.
it's okay but you know what I mean
Chomi no
Okay,
you can't
thank
do
you.
that.
you know what Chomi yabona
You can't do that
sifebe lo mfana sifebe lo mfana
Ngiyambona.
manje everywhere
Babanisa nomuntu wami.
okay mara okay yini ongayithandi ngoChomi yini ongayithandi ngomuntu wakho
Oh ngichiriam
yeah
Chiriam uthanda abantu abanonshalent jo so kwamele ngimzibe ngamabomi yabo sengizomziba kusho kwenza nje ngisakhuluma naye every day abanye ngisafona bongizoba tough nyane yabo so yeah so Chomi mina manginonshalent yo uzoyifila Chomi I hope lento ishilo yayimina yabo cause mangiyenza ngiyakhona
yini ongayithandi ngalomfana I have a lot of things in my time. Bani mic.
yena ngathi ukhuluma kakhulu yazi like ngathi ukhuluma kakhulu
From the start ngibonile loo nto kuyaphapha.
yena ngathi ukhuluma kakhulu shem
Ne? Fuck it.
yeah
What?
that's it yiyo nje
Oh, okay. Yini oyithanda ngayo? Yini oyithanda ngayo?
Ngaze ngahetheka.
yeah yena ugqwa kahle
Oh wow, style
yeah
sakhe.
style sakhe yeah
Beside the style sakhe movie. It's okay, get it. Clock it for that.
Awuthayincane.
Clock it for that. Okay, yini mntwana yamara unomoya wena tani yazi wena mara unobucha amabhonyana sometimes. Get it? Get it? Okay. Mfeza yini oyithanda ngogela?
Yo. Ngizoba honest bafethu ngomama nasi. Yonke into shemngalo mntana lo. Yonke into yabo fashion sense yabona plus inika shikruzo ngifundisa ukudepha nami ngicokela amakepiso wabo la.
No.
Yabo. So I think mina no Chomi singaba grand yabo because une fashion sense mina nyazama. So amajita la yabona abafisa ukuthi meleni izikape. Otherwise niyongena enkingeni. Yabona manje kuphule anyone ungagezanga yabo. So I think abafathi mele bageze out there and the Chomi yo done. Get right there.
Oh, lies, lies, lies. And everywhere is lies.
Okay.
Get right there.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, this is your chance to answer question guys. Uba not ready for your questions. Let's say I create the video now. Last question, then I will tell over image yakho banja, and because I can feel it in my vagina. Question 4.
Cela machicha phakamisa izandla ngibona.
Woo, guys, love it for us. Oh my God. We all virgins for life. Come on now, virgins for life. Akusho ukuthi ningise ngomntombi wakho semncane. Asawubonza la nomhlanga.
Inkinga nami ngijiji mara nye ngikhulume yabo.
Okay, ngamthemba guys.
Ngijudge.
Yeah, akathembisi ne?
hayi akathembisi
Yeah, it's okay. So one question for the guy. Please guys, any question? Cala, Nicola. Any question of the guy, then we'll, last question.
uyajwala
Yeah, sure.
Cha. No.
Sorry?
there's no such a thing
Oh, you call?
Nginiphi phone yami nisearch?
aziyifuni ifoni yakho
Okay.
Yazi mina no Chomi into esinayo in common.
Yeah.
We are flat. So mina ngo flatting stage cause angijuli. Yabo.
But I don't think you're fine because of your jaw and your flat. So it's
Choma ikinto yasemhlabeni angayenzi. Jola nabafana amantombazana.
you're flat,
Ngizoba nenkinga la.
Sorry.
Ngafeba vele.
Okay, John. One question for the guy. Lungisa question yakho now because I'm coming to you.
yeah I don't think in my ears
You don't have a question. How many body counts you now? Ngizokuzela John.
Body count ka Chomi.
Yakho.
Oh, none.
None. Question for the mantombazana. Qala ngapha.
None. Chomi kanti umeleni mfethu ungasakazi. Wawuyijiji until today.
ayibo
Umeleni.
hayi
Awuthi amangikhulumanga nawo.
hayibo
Awuthi amangikhulumanga nawo.
Now ngishona lapho. Ilanga selishonile.
Ku baby nya understand. Chomi umeleni.
For men.
Umelo husband.
no
Singukutshela yazini into ibhadi into ebuhlungu eSouth Africa. Yazi Chomi bangakuphula upreg same time. Cabanga double trouble.
Negative when. Ufuna ukugcina ujujubete imkeleni kanje.
Yabona ku if ku video ezayo ngizobe ngiyi1. Lo guy lo too much. Chomi like umeleni. No like no ayikabi mara like umeleni.
Because we wanna wait.
until ngize ngibe ready for
So lawo mantombazana lawo bafana uJola nabo nenzani?
ayenzi next nabo just ngiyathola
Just for
just for
fun.
fun
Just wasting time. We bored at the end of the day. Life is too.
Imijiji la se South Africa guys akunajiji South Africa.
Oh shit, that's all I can say.
No.
I think imijiji elikhona eSouth Africa. Kuma comment ishoni if niyacabanga ukuthi ngijiji guys. Like
Okay, guys. Now it's time.
Nah, bro.
Okay, now it's time. I understand.
We can't do that, yo.
Ngifuna sivale. Okay, can I do my job? Please. Okay. Ngifuna sivale namehlo. You understand? Ngizothi amantombazana amayivula amehlo bese ngiyanibuza. Ngizobuza question. Understand? Ba ungaya kwi first date, kwi date naye. Uzo-answer kanjani? Lalela uzo-answer kanje. Uzophendula Zara.
Kwamdala.
You understand?
So.
Yeah, if you have we do this. If you're gonna go to a date now, you do it. If I will, you're gonna be like, I will never. Ngizobuza ba ungamniki chance na. You understand? Okay, guys, let's close eyes.
Now,
Yeah, now. Kind of pants. Amantombazana anivula amehlo amantombazana awuthamo relaxa bese nivula amehlo ningamgaya chance ugaya 1 2 3 shake okay go on vula amehlo njalo by 2 so uzokhomba 1 uzoshake ikhanda if ngikhombe lo if uzomgaya chance uyazi you understand ngamkhipha ku date okay ngamkhipha ku date okay ayifulani mantombazana uthi akakufuni wena so itype yakhe so it's okay cela umuva kancane bengicela uphume ntombazana fast bengicela uphume the side it's okay bro I understand sometimes abantu abakuthandi ne and it's okay people are fake outside I'd be like it's okay so instead of two guys crazy part let me tell you something the crazy part she said she wants you too bro I was like but I can feel it in my vagina, Bryce. This is it. So then I'm going to Kai. What's up?
The interview.
What's up? Yeah. Oh wow. Look at this, guys. Look, come on. Let me see. Come on. Look at this.
That's Jabulang.
I'm go happy.
Oh, happy I'm mention. Okay.
Kateka.
Aso type yakho nelo. No guys, cela unguide 2 minutes ke nikhulume nithi niyazana kanje. Awungifili kanifuna nivele. Comment below guys, I feel like there's something bro.
Man, I think
Nah, in the future guys.
do it.
Yo borekile chom. Sorry.
Oh shit, that's all I can say.
Yeah, mimi mapupeni.
Yasangithi awuthina ngincane waficabanga isusi sithandwa sami. But it's fine, yabo. But I accept nevertheless.
Okay guys, like, share, subscribe man. I think this is it.
Ninga subscribe, ungihlukanise nochilo.
Love you guys, okay?
Yeah, you get this.
Kama simthandile noma umthandile ngambiza ngasimthandile get out of here.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.